Hello and welcome back to another Ted Outdoors video. It's been well over a year since my last upload, but don't worry, I've been busy. You want trucks? We got trucks! Woo! Now you might have noticed I'm not in my typical Sydney bushland surrounds. I'm actually here in far north Queensland, where I've been living in Cairns since October 2018, having cycled here from Sydney. Another windy day north of Bundaberg, but I got this to look at. I'm not really sure why I didn't film any of the journey up here, but I've decided to bring you along for the next leg where I'll be cycling to Darwin. However, I will be doing this without using single-use plastic. So what does a lack of single-use plastic really mean for an adventure? First of all, it removes one of my favorite foods, 2-minute noodles. Removes packaged pasta, energy bars, you name it. Anything wrapped in plastic I cannot bring with me. So that leaves trail mix in an old peanut butter jar which I picked up from a bulk food store. Fresh fruit and veggies, avocados, potatoes, apples, oranges, you name it. Food for me is going to be the biggest struggle because quite frankly I have no idea what I'm doing. There's also stuff to consider like toothbrushes, toothpaste, all that kind of stuff, which I think is really going to be a pretty steep learning curve. So if you do have any ideas or suggestions, helpful hints and tips, please let me know. I'm going to bring you along for the journey. It's going to be a pretty wacky ride, but fingers crossed we can get it all done. Any waste I do generate will have to come with me on the ride as well. So I could be rolling into Darwin with kilos and kilos of plastic rubbish. Forgot to say, if you are interested, please subscribe, please follow the journey. It's going to be a lot of fun. So this was Ted, and we're about to be outdoors. Yeah, look at that downhill, boy.